Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add highlights to your Instagram account. So let's get started. At first let's go to Instagram app. So here it is. Let's tap on the app. Now in the bottom right corner you can see this profile icon over here. So let's tap on this icon. Now in the top right corner you can see this plus sign over here. So we need to tap on this plus sign, so let's tap on this. Now in the bottom you can see story highlight written over here. So select this. Now you can see all the stories you have posted. So I have just one, so let's tap on this and click on next. Now here's your highlight. Now we need to name our highlight. Now click on done. So this is it. Now click on not now. And here you can see your highlights. So this is how you can add highlights in your Instagram. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.